Here's the final takeaway for you guys. In order for us to be successful, we all know that we need to be in focus. Focus itself leads to clarity. And when you have clarity, you have power. You're executing with rapid speed, and this leads to success. So let me introduce you my thinking framework, which actually allows you to achieve anything you want with having more clarity and power. I call this a smart thinking framework, and oh boy, you can achieve a lot of great stuff with this kind of thinking. The whole point here is that when you want to achieve something, you need to think in correct order. For instance, first you need to build clarity. What is that you want? Secondly, you want to do the research because you need to acquire data how you can execute faster, right? Then you're going to do preparation and planning. And then you can execute with rapid speed because you have all the information, you have done the planning, you have done the preparation. And of course then you're going to review and learn from what you have done. The problem is that we usually tend to jump just immediately to execution. And then the problems occur. And you know, how can you execute if you don't even have clarity what is that you want to achieve, right? If you haven't done really research, is this thing for you? Do you even have funds to go with this pathway? How long does it take for you to achieve this? And of course, you haven't done any planning or preparation. You don't know which direction to go. You haven't found any training course. You don't have any mentors. You're stumbling upon uncertainty day by day, just trying to execute without proper knowledge or preparation. And of course, lastly, people don't review and they don't learn from their own actions. So it's just a bunch of little execution there and nothing happens. People really think that success is a straight line, but actually how it looks like is on the right side. You know what? But if you have a good training, or if you have a pathway, and if you can learn from other people's mistakes fast, then you can save a lot of effort, a lot of stress, and a lot of misery. So I really hope this Amazon mini course gave you clarity. What is this Amazon business model? How does it look like? And now you know, is it for you or not? Because if you don't understand the big picture, you cannot even start with small nitty-gritty small stuff. You also got pretty good overview about the research and what kind of products you should actually start selling. If you need more information about how to find these items, how to contact these suppliers, how to do the perfect product blueprint, then Amazon Mastery will definitely help you. The next is planning and preparation. In Amazon Mastery, we tell you exactly what do you need to do this week, next week, and when do you need to complete something, what kind of tools you need, and how to use everything. And when you're executing there, you have specific action steps in front of you. So there's no question what is that you need to do. We have built a goals with action steps for every single week when you start. And of course, you will learn from our mistakes, and you will learn about the things you do, because we teach you how to evaluate every single step with end goal in mind. After this video, we also have a question and answer video for you. So please don't hesitate to ask more questions from us, and I wish you all the best and success. Thank you.
So I hope you liked the video. Then thumbs up, right? If you want to hear more from me about how to build Amazon businesses, how to be productive, how to build remote teams, how to automate your Amazon businesses, how to sell Amazon businesses, everything online business related, then please hit the subscribe button and you will hear more from me. So next thing, if you want me to help you, if you find I can help you somehow, then don't hesitate, reach out. You can find links below this video in the description how you can contact me, and let's have a chat.